I'm here with Tim Winard from Kitagawa North Tech in Chicago. Hello, Tim.
Hey, Justin.
Tim, can you introduce Kitagawa to our viewers?
Yeah, Kitagawa North Tech is a subsidiary of Kitagawa Ironworks out of Japan. We represent a line of work holding products by the name of Kitagawa, and our market including everything from Canada down to Brazil. So these are work holding devices that are used by manufacturers in the holding of work parts that will be processed through CNC lathes or machine centers.
Okay, terrific. And can you talk a little bit about the project that we did together?
Yeah, we had engaged with ballistics at the beginning of the year. We had historically had constraints mostly in the operations of the company, project management, manufacturing, engineering. But this year with the economic drop, we saw that the constraints of the organization moved over to sales and marketing. And we didn't have any experience in being able to restructure or to capitalize on the opportunity that exists there. So with ballistics assistance, we were able to then to begin to free up our territory managers to visit more customers by applying the principle of division of labor.
So the project consisted of two initiatives, sales and inside sales. Can you describe each?
Yeah, our outside sales, again, they were very busy previously doing many different things. They were multitasking, maybe 10 to 12 different responsibilities. And with all these varied responsibilities, they couldn't effectively visit customers as regularly as we wanted. Through this process, we were able to free them up to just conducting customer-facing roles. They are now able to visit customers because internally we have a new sales coordinator position, which lines up all the customers on our behalf, takes care of all the collecting of information based on every sales visit. And they're able to do that because they have a promotions team behind them that does a lot of direct mail pieces. So we're able to free them up to just to be visiting with customers. I think this was at least a 3 times increase of visits with customers with 1/3 less people in that position. The other area that it benefited us internally was that our territories managers also acted as project managers. Once they sold anything, they felt they had to stay in the office to manage that project. So internally we had to create also a new system, which we're calling a daily WIP meeting or a work in process meeting, whereby all the departments are able to work together to discuss daily the status of existing orders. And we found that this not only helped the territory managers to stay focused on sales, but also we found that it really helped to synchronize the different departments within the company, project management, engineering, manufacturing, so that they could in turn keep the customer up to date on the status of their orders through our inside sales team. So this really helped to free up our territory managers primarily to stay focused in just the sales area.
Okay, terrific. And technology has been a component of this. How valuable are the management information systems for both the inside sales team and the field sales?
Well, for the first time, we actually have good visualization of existing opportunities. We're able to track these opportunities through various stages that have been created. So from a management standpoint, weekly we now have sales meetings and marketing meetings to discuss the various stages of opportunities that exist, and then we can go in there and delve a little deeper into each of them to find out where we may be able to optimize within the sales process. In fact, what we're describing is a new sales process that didn't exist before. Also, too, the marketing campaigns, we're able to effectively track the marketing monies and the effectiveness of each of them as we move forward.
Okay, good. So what do you see in the future for the sales and for the field and inside sales infrastructure that we've built? How do you see it developing?
Well, it is evolving. It is a process that's in constant evolution. We're able to now see where the next opportunity in the process exists, and at this point we're expanding into adding in manufacturers reps. So I would say that it gave us a new basis by which to grow our business, and it is fully expandable. We actually have visibility as to what's happening within the organization for the first time.